We started our search on a whim. We ended up setting parameters, saying that we weren't willing to move out of Seattle, and Susan made me be a little bit more realistic about things and said, stop being a baby.
You were stubborn.
I was
I
very
tried to
stubborn.
tell her, but she wasn't listening.
They wanted to have that walkability. They wanted to be close to her work. And honestly, it just wasn't fitting into the budget.
We definitely expanded our search into a new town, and literally the next weekend, we ended up finding something we loved.
She showed us some brand new townhouses, and when we found the place, we kind of just knew.
That's what we were looking
And we looked at a lot of different places, and it was like, this isn't it, this isn't it. And then when we got to that one place, we ended up falling in love with it, and that's the way we went.
We even looked at a couple of really great properties, houses
Yeah.
that had big lots, and they were under your price point.
Yeah.
And then we went and looked at the beautiful townhome, the new construction,
Yeah.
and it was all the glitz and all the glam that you could possibly have wanted.
I was comfortable with the decision only because you did take the time to show us a lot of different options, and not necessarily just a single family or just a townhouse. You really broadened what we were looking at, so it made the final decision easy.
Yeah.